Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Mozilla Firefox is not responding properly on Windows 11. So guys, how to fix? So click to start and type task manager, run as administrator, otherwise right click to run as administrator. Now find out the Firefox, select this. My right click and click to end task. Okay, and then close it. Then click to start and then type run, enter it, then type Firefox space hyphen safe comma mode, and then hit enter. After that click to then click to refresh Firefox. Okay, and then refresh. So after that it will open, might be in your system, not sure. And then click to yes. If it open, then click to yes. Then you can see like that important successfully data input. Okay, now it's open it, then close it, then click to start and type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator and then click to yes. Now I am giving you this command, it is for repair your Windows corrupted file. So click to type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So after that it will start like percentage. Okay, so that's means you're corrupted and some lost your Windows file, it will restore. So it will create, it will complete 100% na, then it will show like you are successfully complete this command. After that restart your system. If you are using desktop also and laptop also, restart it and then open to Firefox and then please check it. Thank you.